Hey everyone, in this video, I'm about to show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. Open the Snapchat app on your mobile device, tap on your profile icon. Next, click on the settings icon located in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find See Me in Quick Add and tap on it. Ensure that Show Me in Quick Add is switched on. Go back and tap on Contact Me. You can choose to set this to everyone if you have the latest version of the app. Return to your profile and tap on View My Story. Set this to everyone as well. Go back to your profile once more and scroll down to find My Public Profile. Tap on OK to set it as a public profile. Now, your profile is public. Tap on the settings icon again. Here, you can customize your public profile according to your preferences. You can now add stories to your public profile and check the insights. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.